G'day guys, BJ from Edencraft Boats, just down at Burners Point. It's a beautiful day and we're delivering John's new 233 formula. So we've just taken it out in the water, had a good run with the customers. I think they're pretty impressed. We'll have to ask them about it, but yeah, as you can see, white 233 formula, transom mount. Customers opted for something pretty special, twin 300 Yamaha, so pretty impressive power-wise. We'll go through, do a bit of a rundown on the boat, but as standard, we use now the Lone Star GX4. Real nice winch, had no problems. They've been a really good unit for us so far. Pretty confident also got the Simrad 16. It's running the Evo 3 Simrad 16, along with the Fusion RA55 stereo and the Simrad RS20 VHF. Pretty much standard inclusions. We've got the light paint tank down the back there, fully hinged dive door. We've done all the stainless steel to suit all the roof as well with the aerials, spotlights, etc. We've done a pretty cool snapper rack set up here for John. He's got the Edencraft bait board. We've also done the little snapper rack extension to the bait board. It's come up, yeah, pretty cool. It's getting pretty of options without the snapper. And as you can see on the back too, the big 300 Yamahas. 4.2 litre V6, plenty of power. We just had a quick squirt then and we got 100 k's an hour out of it without pushing her too hard. So yeah, pretty impressive. Yeah, very happy. We're in the wheelhouse here. As I said before, we've got the Simrad 16. So the Evo 3, been a very popular combo at the moment. Behind me, the RS20 VHF and the Simrad Fusion RA55, and a couple of the speakers under the hardtop here. We've also added a driver side wiper, 2-speed wiper. Got trim tabs, like I said, Lone Star winch, and all our carling switches down there running, our pumps, lighting, etc. I've also done a taut in this boat too, so we can customise the suit. John wanted some custom seat boxes, so I've gone in here and done some seat boxes. Done some little pads here so I can squat down the back and watch your rods. Plenty of storage. We've also got a little tackle box here for jigs, etc. What we've done is pretty cool. Always looking for somewhere to put your esky. So what we've done here, we've put a nice little box here with a slide out esky. So keep all your food, fish, whatever cool. Just gives you a bit of storage space. Take it out, good storage, whatever you want. So yeah, pretty versatile sort of spot. It's also got the coping rack. Done all lighting throughout. Down the back of the boat there, we've got all Rule pumps. So we've got the Rule 1100 gallon pump for the live paint tank set up, along with a 3700 gallon Rule bilge pump. So live paint tank all plumbed up. And it's also got the blue LED lighting in the tank, so yeah, it looks pretty cool. But overall, very nice boat. I think the customers are happy. We might ask them what they think about the boat. So with the new proud owner, John, with his new 233 formula, it's John's first time on a formula, and Edencraft in general. John came down the factory a little while ago, had a good look around and quite liked what we did, and entrusted us and did a custom build for him. So yeah, it's their first time out today on the water. We might just ask them what they thought of the boat. What do you think about the ride, guys?
Yeah, you blew us away.
Yeah, pretty impressive, isn't it?
Absolutely, blew us away. I don't think I've been in anything as fast on water.
600 horsepower.
Yeah, it's a long time for a person my age to get so excited. Really rocked my socks. So we're thrilled with it, and we just want to thank you for really building a handcrafted boat for our family. And I'm sure we're going to have hours and hours of lots of great fun.
Been an absolute pleasure.
Mate, it's fabulous. Junior, what's your thoughts?
Well, as I said, my breath's been taken away as well. The performance and the handling, and of course the safety aspect is truly what we bought the Edencraft on as a reputation was on its performance and its safety characteristics, and it's been proven today. Just can't wait to run the engines in and give it a really good run and catch plenty of fish together.
Absolutely.
Out on Port Phillip Bay.
Awesome, guys. Thank you very much. It's been an absolute pleasure.
Great,
awesome.
Thanks,
Glad you love it. Awesome.
Thanks
Thank you very much.
As well. It's been a great, a real family process for our family, and to Grant's family. Thank you very much for keeping us informed, and BJ for the quality build all the way along the production with the rest of the guys, and Chris as well. So
it's a great team.
Great team. It really is an Edencraft family, and we're very happy to be part of it. Thank you so much.
Awesome. Thanks, boys. Awesome.
The whole process has been fantastic.
Awesome. Thank you very much, guys.
Cheers.
Great.
Awesome.
Good fishing.